Girl's opening the pack. Try to look happy. Got some Black Bolt now. Our first time opening Black Bolt.
Is there like a trick to it or no?
Huh?
Is there like a trick to it?
I think this one is just gonna be one.
Goodie.
Water.
Fire.
Ooh.
Interesting.
God pack. God pack. God pack. God pack. That would have been too cool.
That would have been too cool.
Oh my gosh. Airport God pack. Okay.
Oh,
Is that a Jamie Keeper?
Jamie Keeper.
Oh, we just saw a guy that was collecting all the Emolgas.
That one's cool too.
That energy card honestly was pretty cool.
Yeah. I really like this pack.
Oh, a shiny Emolga reverse holo. Is that it? One more? A Victini.
Oh, I like that one.
Oh, that is hollow. You can't even tell.
Yeah. This one was cool though.
Alright. Airport pack pulse.